Hello everybody, let's look at problem 2349. Design a number container system. We are given to design a number container system that can do the following. Insert or replace a number at a given index in the system and return the smallest index for the given number in the system. We are given a class and we need to implement these two functionalities. Let's go through an example. So we initialize the number containers and then we call the find function on the number 10. So when we call the find function on find of 10, there does not exist a 10 in the system already, so we have to return a -1, which is what we run, and then we change. So we insert at index 2 the number 10. So at index 2, we insert the number 10, and this will return null. Again, we insert at index 1 number 10, and then we insert at index 3 number 10, then again we insert at index 5 the number 10, and we again insert number 20 at index 1. So we have already inserted number 10 at index 1 here, so we have to change that. So we change at index 1 the number 10, and when we call the find at 10 again, we have to return the smallest index. So the smallest index was 1 initially, but because we have changed it to 20, once we have changed it to 20, 2 becomes the smallest index, so we have to return 2, what we are returning. From this we can notice we have to keep the indexes in the sorted order, right? So we'll use something like sorted list or a sorted set from the sorted containers module. We can use that to keep the indexes in the sorted order and insert the indexes in the sorted order. And another problem that we can see is we did not know, like for example here, we did not know which number was initially present at index 1, right? So to keep track of that, we will also need to keep a track of the index to the number map, like which number was inserted at that position, so that we can remove the index from that numbers list later on when we have to change it. Let's implement the method with using sorted lists. Right? I'm using sorted set. So let's import that file first. And as I said, we will require two hash maps. So index to number mapping, right? And then number to index. So to implement the change functionality, we'll have to first check if the index is already present in the system. So just check if the index in if the index is already present, we have to delete that. We have to delete. Before deleting, we have to also remove it from the number to index. So from the number to index hash map, we are going to remove the number, the index from that number. And this is done. We have to check if the number is present. If the number is not present, we can create it, and then we can add this number. Index to number, index number. Okay, great. So if the number is not present in the number to index hash map yet, we just add it. We just create an empty sorted set and we add the number, and we also keep a track of the index and the number. Now let's implement the find functionality. Um, if the number is present in the dot number to index map, and right. So if the number is present in the map and the length of the map, the length of the sorted set is greater than 0, then we can return the first element. Otherwise, we have to return -1. Let's run it. Test cases are passing. Let's submit it. Yeah, submitted. Thank you.